Hi everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. In the last few videos, we have seen how to create a form using FormGroup and how to add controls to this form group using form control. So we had to create the instance of FormGroup and we had to create instance of form control to each and every control. So there is an easy way to do this. Angular is providing us with a service called FormBuilder, which will make it convenient to generate the form controls. So let's see how we can use FormBuilder and how is it different from FormGroup. So we have to first import FormBuilder. This is a service, so we have to inject the service into this component, and that can be done using a constructor. So inside constructor, we'll pass a dependency. So form builder of type form builder. So this way we are injecting this form builder into this component. Now we can make use of this form builder. So previously we used form group and form control and we named this form as feedback form. Let me just make it feedback form old so that I can use feedback form variable so that all my previous code is not disturbed. So here previously we used new form group that has an object with all the controls. When we use form builder, what we can do is this dot form builder dot, this has a method called group. So I'll just group, and this will accept an object similar to form group. Let me just copy paste these controls. So instead of new form control, when we use FormBuilder.group, these controls can be created by a simple array. So this array is going to contain set of values where the first one will represent the default value that we want to assign to this control. As of now, I don't want to assign any default values, so I'm just giving an empty string here. I'll do the same for all other controls. Now address is again a form group. So this is going to be the same. This dot form builder dot group. And let's assign empty array or array with empty string to city, state, country, and zip code. Let's see if this works. Let me refresh. We don't see any error in the form. It works. So now if I type something, this is binded to the form. This is working. Now let's add a default value here. I'll say testing form builder. Let's go back. We see this value binded to the username. Let's test the on submit and set form data as well to see if the new form builder is working fine or not. So if I click on set form data, this is set to test user 1, which we specified here. And if I click on submit, go to inspect and console, we see the data logged in the console. This is the form group, which is similar to the previous form group where we have used this form group class and create an instance. This has controls object where we have address, feedback, and username. And this is going to give us form control where we have the value test user 1. So the only change is the creation. Using form builder, here we used form group and form control. In this case, we are using form builder service, which has a method group, and the controls are created using arrays. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to InterviewPro. Thank you.